My dear friend, you are most welcome on my both channel, that is Kafir International Organization and Visa Destination. Today we will talk about a Muslim who follow the Islam, how he is follow the stupidity of the Islam, which is very violent and very negative in sense. Because if you are doing the good work after reading the certain book of the any cult or religion or the community or the communal community book, and you are doing the good work for the society, for the human civilization, then you are intelligent person, then you are doing the wellness of the society, wellness to the society, and wellness to the atmosphere of this universe or of this world. But if we are doing the nuisance and creating nonsense in world and are propagating the war or the violence against the non-Muslims, then simply you are the brainwashed people. You are the stupid people, where you think in your mind that you are intelligent, but you are not intelligent. You are certified stupid person because you are following the Quran and Islamic jurisprudence, which is very, very violent against the non-Muslims. Or we can say that a Muslim cannot be a good person. A true Muslim cannot be a true person because he is brainwashed by so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was born in Saudi Arabia. And the all people of the Saudi Arabia converted into the Islam, means the supermost stupidity of this on this earth. The book that is known as the Quran. Quran is the book of the supermost stupidity and the super most violent book, which is resembled to the criminology of any country. And the Quranic verses are the threat to the our law or the legal system of the not only India but for all the countries, because Quran is a totally a book of the vagabonds, the robbers, and the killers. And in many hadiths, we have read that the Quran is the book of a criminology, and the Prophet Muhammad committed so many heinous crime in his vested interest. Because he wants to be a well-to-do person, he was born in a simple poor family. Her mother was died after his birth, 2 or 3 or 4 years after, and his father was died before his birth, and he was went to his mistress Halima Dai, who was the caretaker of so-called Prophet Muhammad. So the moral values of the Prophet Muhammad could not develop due to his frustration which he suffered in his childhood. So he adopted a violent ideology and he created a Muhammad, created a Allah, a fake ideology of the Allah, which was very, very negative in sense. The Quranic Allah is very, very negative in sense, because Quranic Allah is the head of the robbers, killers, and the rapists. Why I am saying this? Because in Islam, the rape with the non-Muslim woman, killing of the non-Muslims, and the robbery of the non-Muslims is certified as a Malik Ganimat. So this was the eagerness of that Prophet, so-called Prophet Muhammad, self-proclaimed Prophet Muhammad, who was never been a good person, even a single or journal person, he was below than the even a ordinary person. He was top on the list of the criminals because he killed so many people in the name of the fallacy of the Allah, which is known as Islam. He killed so many women because they were the poetess, and they wrote many poems against the atrocity of this so-called self-proclaimed prophet, which was the certified robber of the caravans of the Jewish caravans. And at that time, the Arabian people was totally illiterate. They were the pastoral community. They were the shepherds. They were the camel herders, or they were the donkey herders. Even though they were so brainless that even the donkey is more intelligent, these Arabian people at that time. Because donkey will never suffer you until you will beat him. But these Arabic people which are converted in Islam always will suffer you, always torch you, because this is the fundamental of the Islam, the torture of the non-Muslim men and the women, rape of the non-Muslim women. So donkey is more intelligent than the madrasa students, because madrasa students is teaching or the learning the stupidity and the violent ideology. They are learning the Quranic verses and the hadith, which are a bundle of the jokes and the violent ideology, which are very fatal to the society. These madrasa students are the moving goons of the Islam, and the madrasa is the hell center to these Muslims, because after reading in madrasa, they became a terrorist, a true Muslim, and a true Muslim is a terrorist. So we can say many Arabic Muslim says, I am an Arabic Muslim and my ancestors were non-Muslim kafir, but Muhammad converted them to stupidity known as Islam. And now we are fed up with the stupidity and I want to leave it. So many Arabian people are eager to leave this stupidity which is known as Islam, because the extreme level of the stupidity inhibits in the Islam and the Quran. This is why the face value of the Islamic world is not good. They are certainly a barbaric people. Though their ancestors were not barbaric, they were the civilized people, but they were the illiterate, but not the violent people. But after embraced the Islam, the ancestor of the Arabian people, they became goons, they became violent, they became a villain of the society. The Islamic people, which are the true Muslims, are the villain of this society. They cannot be absorbed in this civil society. A true Muslim cannot absorb in this civil society because he is not a true good person. He is a barbaric person who is living the fool's paradise. Really, the Jannat or concept of the paradise to the Muslims is only the hypothesis. And certainly these Muslims after the death will live in the fool's paradise, if there is any paradise. But they are living in the fool's paradise when they are alive on this earth. And they are disturbing the society. They are the certified goons against the non-Muslims. All the Muslims, if they are following the true Islam and reading the madrasa, they are certified terrorists, They are certified goons. Islam is a dictatorship against the civilization. Islam is the stupidity against the civilization. Islam against the women. Islam against the non-Muslims. Islam against the wisdom and the logical aspects of this society. Who inhibits in Islam is a totally just like a beast. Though the beast have some aspects in their lives, they never kill you. Even the lion will never kill you if the lion is not hungry. But these Islamic goons is the hungry of the killing, of the rapes of the non-Muslim women. These Islamic goons is the hungry for the bloodbath of the non-Muslims. Because their prophet, so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah, was a like. He committed the heinous crime against the civil societies, against the civilizations. History is the evidence. When you read the history of the Quran and the Islam, it is totally destructive ideology. It cannot be digested in this world, and I am astonished that the non-Muslim are also absorbing this stupidity of Islam, violence of Islam. We should rage against the voice or the slogans against the stupidity of Islam. We must not be absorbed this stupidity or the rather full goonism of the Islam. If we are bearing the goonism of Islam, then certainly we are in danger, and in our next coming generation will be in danger. It will be the rape in the next coming future generation of the non-Muslims if we will not fight against this Islamic goonism. The Islamic terrorism, the Islam is the synonymous of the terrorism. There is no need to say that the Islamic terrorism. If you state that Islam means this is the terrorism, perfectly terrorism. Terrorism inhibits the rape, killings, and the robbery of the wealth. Same all the symptoms of the Islam or the Islamic virus, which is more dangerous to the coronavirus or virus, inhibits all these aspects. The Islam more fatal than the coronavirus, because Islam is only for the destruction of the society, destruction of the non-Muslims, or the rape with the non-Muslim women. This is the real fact of the Islam. So a madrasa student is far filthy than the donkey or the beast. These people who are reading the Quran and living in the madrasa are the below than the beast. They are filthy. They are unsocial, barbaric, uncivilized people, which are being bearing by non-Muslim throughout the world. This is the stupidity of the non-Muslims. You are so wise, but you are sleeping with a mad dog who bites you, and you became in the influence of the rabies. So Islam is more fatal than the rabies, because dog bites innocently. He does not know what he is suffering from the rabies and what type of this rabies. But these Muslims are knowingly, after reading the Quran, after reading the fallacy of Allah, after reading the criminal life of so-called Prophet Muhammad, they are adopting Islam. They are infected with the virus of the Islam, which is more fatal than the rabies and the coronavirus. And these true Muslims are the moving vagabonds, moving goons, moving terrorists in the society. They are preparing to damage the society's social values. They are protecting the rapes, killings of the non-Muslims. So many instances throughout the world that these are true goons which are following the Islam. A true Muslim cannot be a good person. A good person cannot be a true Muslim. This is the reciprocal ratio between the Muslim and the good person. So I would like to tell you that all madrasa teachers and the teaching students are the terrorists and the Islamic goons. And we must fight against these madrasa teaching, and we must, all the Indian government and the society of the non-Muslim people would destroy all the madrasa throughout the world. Otherwise, these madrasa will engulf the society values, the moral values, because Islam is moral value. Islam have immoral values. There is no moral values, there is no ethics or etiquettes how to behave in the society. A true Muslim cannot behave in the society because his teaching from the Muhammadi teaching, which is very, very violent, barbaric, and very, very uncivilized in manner. Thank you very much. See you. I hope you will subscribe my channel, put the bell icon so we will get notification at earliest possible. Thank you very much.